Hello everyone. I am Himanshu Prakash. I am currently pursuing MBA in International Business from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. Prior to joining IFT, I was working as a marketing analyst in IMS Learning Sources Private Limited for the past 26 months. I got 98.81 percentile in IFT, which was my second attempt in 2019. So my MBA journey started in the final year of my undergraduate days when I decided to pursue an MBA. But before that, I thought that I should take some experiences of business and how the business world is run. So I decided to take up a job as marketing analyst at IMS, where I learned the nitty-gritties of business, albeit on a small scale. But I was exposed to how businesses in general and marketing in particular is run. Also at IMS, I saw people preparing for different MBA examination and going to different prestigious colleges and making their brilliant careers. That kind of ignited the fire inside me also to pursue an MBA, to be in a position where I can be in a leadership role, and that kind of motivated me to pursue an MBA for myself. That's where my MBA journey started and took off. So, as this was my second attempt, I was quite comfortable with the type of questions that were being asked in the examination. In my first attempt, I was mainly focused around building on my concepts and keeping myself abreast with what kind of questions are really asked. So, as I was working, I was not able to devote time on weekdays. So I used to study for 2-3 hours each day after my work or during also work because I was at IMS, which is itself is a coaching institute for CAT and different MBA examinations. So I was around materials and people who were into this field. So whenever I got a chance at work also, I used to study from some materials here and there. So in my first attempt, I was mainly focused on building and practicing questions that come into examinations. In my second attempt, I focused mainly on mocks and analyzing them, building on my strength and capitalizing on my weaknesses. In my first attempt, I got a decent percentile in IFT, which was 99.3, but I missed a sectional cutoff of DI by zero point 0.3 marks. So missing it by a whisker was a thing that was going in my mind. So in this year particularly, I focused mainly on taking as many mocks as I can and managing my time better. And also, reading newspaper was something that I had inculcated since my undergrad days that helped me immensely in VARC and also in GK and current affairs section, which IFT is known for. So, building on concepts like what kind of questions are asked in examinations and taking as many mocks as you can or practicing as many questions as you can for the examination was my funda this year for the preparation. So, I took around 30 or 40 mocks before preparing for actual examination, and that kind of helped me while balancing my time with my job and also my preparation. Working at IMS had given me different perspective towards approach for certain examinations, these examinations that are conducted. So when I missed my first attempt by zero point 0.3 marks, which was not able to clear sectional cutoff, I was disheartened, but I had a job and I had many things to look at to distract myself. So at IMS also I seen the lows and highs of people that were attempting examinations. People who could clear the examinations were happy, who were not able to clear the examination and not get into the institute were low. So I was able to see them as a professional there, working there. And when the term came for myself was attempting, I was able to relate to them better. My advantage was that I was at IMS and I was surrounded by people who were in the field for last 7 or 8 or 10 years, who have mentored hundreds and thousands of students across their years to get into different institutes. So I was able to ask for help to them whenever I can. And that is my advice to aspirants, that ask for help. Keep believing in yourself, don't lose heart, and ask for help whenever you can and from whomever you can, your teacher, your mentor, your friend, because people are willing to help. They will help you and you will need help. You are good, but you can become better. Keep preparing hard. Thanks.